Install and activate DepEd Microsoft 365 apps on your computer. First, uninstall the existing Microsoft Office, especially if it has expired. Go to Control Panel. Click Uninstall Program. Search for the installed Microsoft Office. Select Microsoft Office, then click the Uninstall button at the top. Click the Uninstall button in the prompt. This may take a few minutes. Click Close, then restart your computer. After restarting, log into your DepEd Microsoft 365 account. Click Install and More. Then click Install Microsoft 365 apps. Make sure your internet connection is fast and stable. Click Install Office button. The download icon will appear when the installer starts downloading. Click the downloaded installer. The installation will take some time, depending on your internet speed. After the installation, click the Close button. Open the Word, Excel, or PowerPoint application. Then sign in your DepEd Microsoft 365 account. Make sure you are still connected to a reliable internet. You need to close all Microsoft 365 apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. When you relaunch the Microsoft apps, they will now be activated.